So here we are, guys. We got the lovely Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. It's going to do a little unboxing here. You see it's all sealed up, so once we open this up, we're doomed. We can't send it back out. Maybe that's the made in China. All the good things of the day. Thing out. Right, you ready? Wow, what a start. We've even got wee Dusty here with us, having a wee nosy. Paper, because we all want paper. Look at her. Oh! And we went for the Phantom Silver. Yes, we did. We did. Lovely. I'm gonna have fun. Right, so we'll put her there. And we get, what else is in the box? Not much. Usual deal. Got a quick start guide. Gives you all the good info. Warranty card. Also gives you, oh look at it shakes. All the stuff. That's it. And we got a pin. We need a pin. We need that to open up, and our USB-C to USB-C cable. There you go. That's it. The rest of it's empty. That's what you get for your bucks. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G, the best phone in the world. It's going to be good. Look at this. Sexy. It feels bulky. Oh, yes! I'm out of here. I can